Okay, thank you. Second. On the lights. 15. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Don't cut left 2 into don't cut right 4, 60 up mid, left 6 long, 40 left 2, left 2 at the end here. 60, left 2 tight hairpin right, left 2 tight hairpin right. And left 1, left 1 here. And left 3, 40, hairpin right. And right 6 into slippy hairpin left long, slippy hairpin left long. Into left 6, 60, slippy right 1 tightens hairpin right, right 1 tightens hairpin right. It is very slippy, isn't it? Left 6, 60, deceptive hairpin left plus. Deceptive hairpin left plus here. And crest. Continues for 80. And down, tight left 1. Tight left 1. 40, right 6 long. Tightens into right 1, continues for 80. 40, tar ahead, left, tightens into don't cut hairpin left plus long, don't cut hairpin left plus long. Right 1, 40, hairpin left, and hairpin right. Nothing's going to grip on this stuff. 40, hairpin left, .130, right 6, 40, left 4 long, 60, turn left 2 over bump, left 2 over bump into right 3, right 3 here, into tight left 1 long, tight left 1 long. Into right 4 long, tightens into tight right 2, tight right 2, and 150 up mid, and square left plus, square left plus, and right 2, and left 3, right 2 into square left, 100 up mid, right 2, half long, opens into don't cut right 3 long, and 100 up mid, and right 4, tightens over crest, 80, left 2 plus, and 60, left 2 half long, right 3, and the left 3 half long into square right plus, opens into crest, into left 5, 60, left 5 over crest, 60, and right 6 tightens into right 3 long, into tight left 1, 40, left 5, and the right 4 long, into left 5 over crest, and the left 6 into right 5 plus long, 40, left 6, 60, chicane right entry, That's the way to go round. 40, right 5, left 6, 60, left 6 over crest into right 6, and finish crest 100, don't cut road 5, 100, don't cut road 5. Couldn't you make up your mind which way around to go to chicane?
No.
See the marshals run? That was funny.